Get ready to experience the ultimate power and performance with the upcoming Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Confirmed through its impressive Geekbench scores, this powerhouse smartphone is set to redefine excellence in the mobile world. Scoring a remarkable 1,947 in the single-core round and an impressive 5,149 points in the multi-core segment, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is ready to take on any task with ease. With a robust combination of Android 14 OS, Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, and a whopping 12 GB of RAM, this device promises lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. But that's not all. The Edge 50 Ultra is poised to elevate your photography game to new heights. Equipped with a triple camera setup featuring a stunning 50MP primary camera, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a periscope sensor with 5x optical zoom and a 75mm focal length, you'll capture every moment with unparalleled clarity and detail. And with the new Android 14-based Hello UI custom skin out of the box, along with 3 years of promised OS upgrades, you'll enjoy a sleek and intuitive user experience that keeps getting better over time. Don't miss the unveiling of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra at the upcoming event on April 16th. Get ready to witness the future of smartphones. It's time to edge ahead with Motorola.